Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jane, not Janet or Janette. And guys, time passes really fast. It's like already end of June and July it's coming. It's half of the year is gone, and so as my journal pages, it's time to change a new insert because my weekly inserts only holds until end of June, which is right here. June. There's another 2-page here. Like there's another 2-page for July, but see, I wrote a message here that I have to move to a new insert for weekly. So yeah, I'm gonna change this off. This is the one I'm using, 018 Traveler's Notebook Free Diary, that the ones without the date, prefix date. Yeah, I'm always using this one. So what I'm gonna do today is that I'm gonna decorate this cover. As if you have seen the previous video, I have decorated this with the paper bag from Muji, and let me remove this and show you guys. Yeah, as you can see, this is the one that I decorated with reusing the paper bag from Muji. Yeah, I did not really change much, except I think I add some sticker in here. This is the washi tape, and I wrote the month here, like January to June. And yeah, and the bag I added like Kim Seong-ho images that I really like. It's a Korean actor, and Lee Min-ho. So yeah, that's all. I didn't want to do anything with it, but I'm gonna decorate this with some stickers, and of course I'm gonna block out the whole green background with yes, this is an instruction manual from IKEA. I don't know, like I just thought like I could perhaps reuse this. I don't know, I really like looking at all this instruction manual. It's so easy, and yeah, and it's white. This is so funny. Like I don't know, like to me it's so recyclable. You know, all this stuff usually they would just throw away, but I'm gonna wrap this up. But then this is a very soft paper, so oh, see, that's a hole already. So I think I need to be very careful with this, as I was saying to be careful, and I'm really making holes and stuff. So I'm gonna start right away. This is the one that I'm gonna use for July, August, September, and until December. The final product, I have no idea. I have no idea how it's gonna look, but I'll try my best. nerve wracking making this one, and even I lose the sunlight. It's already evening, dinner time. Just in time that I finish this one because I'm pretty hungry right now. I think it should, I was thinking maybe I should add more color, maybe in the future. Yeah, maybe in the future. I don't know. Maybe like more stickers in here. So this is like, I could like add more stuff in here, like I could just put in like a sticker in here if I want to. Yeah, okay, now it looks cool. All right, yeah. Yeah, I got it. Okay, it's better. All right, I'm very happy with this, how it looks. Every time, every cover that I created, and I'm so happy how it look. And I would like use it, like, I don't know. I love it. Felt a bit regret that I chose orange, because the color of the sticker from Traveler's Company actually clashed, but then whatever. I tried to make it look a bit old and vintagey using the Distress. What is it called? Where is it? This is the one. Distress Oxide or Oxide from Ranger, where you need to dab with the sponge, and I could actually add some water so that it creates that splash effect, but I'm gonna leave it this way at the moment. So these are good, like the Distress is good to like you want to make something to look old and vintagey. Yeah, you could get this. Yeah, these are just pretty much stamps that I've got. So this is pretty, okay, this is not perfect. Yeah, it's not perfect, but okay, never mind. Maybe I could like, I don't know, I'll just ignore this part. It's okay. And yeah, I put July to December 2023, and this is my face, my logo. And this is a recycle. I had beef from a supermarket. I bought a cooked beef, and this is the sticker that was on the packaging, and it's clean. It's clean. So I kind of use it here, like. And what I like this part is there's a date here, like there's a June made. It says guna sebelum, like you gotta eat it before June 28th. So I really like this. There's a price, and this is our supermarket, and it says do not ban, and this is from Traveler's Notebook as well. Yeah, I like this. It brings a lot of character compared to where's my Muji. So Muji is great as well. I love them too. Oh my god, they look so nice together. Yeah, gosh, love it. I love both of them. Yeah. Yep. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.